Hello everyone, welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to take a look at the Philadelphia Cream Cheese Survival Kit, Survival Box. Pretty much just reusing the exterior box of your sour cream. Add a little duct tape here just to give it a reseal. You could add a little bit of glue on the interior just to make it less conspicuous if you had it in an area where you could easily see it. So yeah, pop this boy open. As you can see, we have a nice little compact kit. Right on top, we have our pocket sewing kit. So this is 5 different threads, 2 safety pins, a button, and a sewing needle. Works great. It can be either used for gear repair or first aid. Then we have some tin foil here for either cooking, boiling water, or having a nice dry surface to start a fire. And for fire starting, we have our ferrocerium rod and striker. We also have our, what is this, clipper, almost called a mini Bic for some reason, and a nice survival orange, emergency orange. We also have our pocket fishing kit, a little reel with our line on it, sinkers, leads, snap-on hook, our sinkers, everything you need to catch something. We also have a cough drop, and then a water-activated towelette as well. For first aid, we got some not large bandages, but butterfly style bandages. We have some medium bandages as well as some smaller ones, and a Metafin, so Tylenol pretty much, or aspirin. We also have some bacterial ointment. Don't know what that one was. Here we have some water purification tablets with some duct tape wrapped around it, either for gear repair or fire starting. And here's our water containment bag. And for cutting, we have our razor blade that we snap in half and add a little bit of duct tape to, so you just have a nice cutting point. Also a good grip. Cordage, we just have some snare wire. Also threw in a couple of additional safety pins for anything really. And we also have a little saw that we can make some deadfall traps with. And another way of fire starting are some stormproof matches from UCO. And that's the kit, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you guys would do differently. Have a nice day, and thank you guys for checking out the channel.